We just installed these LED Lasfit turn signals in our 2025 Toyota Tacoma, and it is so bright.
We're loving it, so we're gonna walk you through our thoughts and how to install them.
Yes, we can. We're super excited to try another Lasfit product. We have their floor mats in our truck, and we have put them to good use.
Yeah, we did. I stepped in poop pretty much day one of owning the truck, which was also just the next day after we put in the floor mats, and that saved our truck.
All right, let's do it. Let's install this.
Back to it.
Lasfit sent us these LED turn signal bulbs for our truck. These are the switchbacks so that when you're driving, it'll be white, and then when you turn on your turn signal, it'll turn amber.
It's good to note that the original actually does have amber DRL, but white just looks way better. These bulbs are 2,000 lumens each and 24 watts. And these LED bulbs are going to replace the only halogen bulb that is in the truck, which is also actually the only bulb that is user replaceable.
We're going to start on the left side. This is kind of cool. You don't need any tools. You just twist out this cable. It's the top one on the 4th gen Tacoma. So it's a little bit awkward to reach in there, but you'll see it. And just like that, you give it one twist and it comes on out. And these are the bulbs we're replacing, the only halogen bulbs. I'm actually really excited for this, so just pull it out here. Not too hot, be careful, sometimes they're hot. Bam.
Here we go.
Thanks, baby. Kind of looks like an old medicine bottle or something.
Oh yeah, like an ampule, I think that's what they're called.
From back in the day?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these bulbs are polarity sensitive, so if they don't switch on when you install it, you just got to take it out and put it in the opposite way. So, John, you want to turn the truck on and we'll see if it lights up? Oh yeah, we got power. Okay, this is kind of nice because you can see where the hole is to put that LED light back in. So that is nice that you have a little bit of a guide. Once you get it in there, you just give it a turn.
I'm going to do the passenger side, and on the 4th gen Tacoma and the 6th gen 4Runner, the air intake is in the way. So we're just going to pop this off so we can access the bulb, which is kind of in here. So to do that, it's really simple. You can just push these little pins in, and the thing comes. Please, no! 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 Don't worry about that. I dropped one down there. I will pick it up.
Oh no. Can you see it?
We're going to find out before we leave, but back to our previous scheduled program. The bulb is easy to get to. Sometimes things happen, but we're going to sort it out. Wow, this is on here tight. Okay, got the old one out, and we really appreciate how well designed this is. It needs to dissipate heat because LED generate a lot of heat, and when this is in DRL mode, the white LED is on all the time, so it's going to be hot. So they have aluminum casing around here with a couple air breathing holes, so it'll stay cool, and they're designed it in such a way that it's not going to be a problem when it's on constantly or when you're sitting with your hazards on. So let's put it in. So I guess we have a 50-50 chance of it being correct, but let's just turn it on and make sure. So it's pretty simple. It's hard to see, but you kind of know where it's going to be. It's a little hard to get the right angle, but once you do, just clicks in place. Give it a little tug just to make sure it won't fall off, and we're good. Except I still have to find that clip that I dropped.
Johnny, did we find it?
No, we spent like 5-10 minutes looking for it. That's on me, a little oopsie. But we're gonna put this back.
We'll find it another day.
Now we got the old ones out. Let's see what this looks like.
Before we close it, a taco riding over a taco.
There's also like a GPS coordinate over here.
What?
Wonder if it's like something about Tacoma.
Whoa, that's cool. Let's figure out what that is. All right.
Yeah.
Close him up. Whoa. Whoa.
Yes, this is really bright, and it's still daytime out. So when it's dusk, a little bit later in the day, we're gonna do a comparison with the OEM ones and these Lasfit ones. But come on, the switchback is the way to go. The white DRL just looks intense.
It looks so cool.
Well, what do you think?
That is so bright. It's like hurting my eyes. That is awesome.
It's a worthwhile mod.